So welcome for today's class of English grammar. This is for class 9th English grammar. Okay, and I hope you all can see this clearly. Fill in the blanks by choosing the correct verb form from the alternative given below each sentences. So it consists of 4 marks, 1 marks each. It will be my parents dash with joy when they saw my result. So option A is the correct option. My parents were filled with joy when they saw my result. Okay. Moving towards the next question. The school sports team hopes dash the trophy. Okay. Here option C is the correct option. The school sport team hopes to win the trophy. Next question is he dash about 3 hours every day to his children after 6 pm. Option B is the correct option. He devotes about 3 hours every day to his children after 6 pm. Okay, last question you all can take down. When I called on him at 9:30 pm, he was busy dash TV. Okay, here option C is the correct option. When I called on him at 9:30 pm, he was busy watching TV. So thanks for watching. I hope you have understood how to choose the correct option and write it. Okay, thanks for watching.